this present.
Yes. Who gave that to you? Did not remember? Louder your voice when you talk. Jessa, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Tito Carl, Tita Jingle, and Cuz Jay-Z. It's Cousin Jack Jack.
Oh, Cousin Jay-Z.
Yeah.
That's a cousin.
Yes. Remember Cousin Jack Jack, baby Jack Jack? What do you want to say to them?
I love you.
And thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you open it na. It's okay. Here, the other one. Do like that. Remove pa this one. Remove ang tanan cover. Ang wrapper niya, i-remove tanan. Why? Wow, it's so cute. It looks like baby si Madge. You like it? It's so cute.
I wanted this.
Hmm?
I want this baby doll.
Oh. What about your dinosaurs?
I love them too.
You love them too?
This baby's stuck in this cover.
Stuck on this cover?
This is a little stuff. This was bad times.
Hmm?
Look at that.
Oh, it's so cute. Okay, open. How can we open this one? You get it na. Wow. Very cute.
Look at this.
Why?
It can move.
Huh?
It can move.
Oh, his arm.
Because of my hand.
Oh.
Oh, there's his brain.
You can see his brain?
You can see his brain. Oh, is what? It can't sit down because it's lying down everywhere.
Because he's a baby, just like baby Simaj. You need to hold the baby doll para mag-sit down. Like that.
He can live in a baby home. He can live in a baby home. Yeah, baby doll. Wow. Wow.
You like it? You tell Tita Jingle. Oh. You dial, huh? You tell Tita Jingle.
Thank you. This is the baby doll.
No, the camera is in the back.
What?
Because it's a video. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tita. Ah, his hat. His hat is going out.
Why did you tell Did you tell that you saw his brain?
I don't know. I don't know.
He has no hair. Baby Simaj has a lot of hair.
Just brain it. Just brain it.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tita. Goodbye, baby. The treetops when the wind blows.
So, this is your first,
Baby.
no, first Christmas present. Yes. Thank you, Tito Carl.
Thank you, Tita Carl.
Louder here. You look at here when you say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
I move with sides.
Oh. Say thank you, Tito Carl.
Thank you, Tita Carl.
Thank you, Tita Jingle. And Cousin Jack Jack.
And Cousin Jack Jack. Not a baby. That is diaper.
Huh?
This is his diaper.
Is there a poop?
No.
Is there a pee?
No.
Oh, it's clean.
Yes, it will be. I take away the socks. Let's put on the socks again. Baby, put on the socks. Baby, put on your socks.
Oh no, no, remove the
Remove your hat. Move your hat. I only see a tiny braid. I see braid all around.
Guys, that's the end of our
Video.
okay, go. Guys, so, you tell them. Mama.
It's the end of the video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. It says call for babies.
Oh, what else?
Look at this. We need to get the pet too. They have a pet. Like that. Santa can be pet. Love, 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 baby.
Pa-burp? Not like that. It's too much. Just like that. Oh, pa-burp. Like that.
Papa.
Burp.
It's not burping, Nana.
It's not burping.
It's looking for nature. It's looking for nature.
Huh?
It's looking for nature. It's looking for nature. It has a diaper. Blue toys. It can do like this. Sitting down. Look at that.
Unsay ngalan sa imong baby doll?
I like it.
Unsay ngalan ba? Oh, sige, English on. What's the name of your baby?
Dolly.
Jolly?
Yes.
Boy man ha?
What?
It's a baby boy.
What? A Dolly baby boy.
Yung
Besides,
hatag yung name nga pang boy.
baby so much of
Not baby si Madge.
Love to the baby.
Other name, sige na. Kanang boy nga name. What?
Gymnastics.
Gymnaxy? What's the... Say it again.
Gymnastics.
That's baby.
Yes.
What's the name, baby?
Gymnastics.